The most brutal survival rule in the wild. Nature isn't cruel. It's honest. And honesty kills fast. There are no villains in the wild. No mercy either. Only one rule. Survive or disappear. When food runs out, parents abandon their young. Not because they're heartless. Because hesitation is fatal. In droughts, elephants walk past a week. Wolves leave injured pack members behind. Birds push chicks from a nest. If you can't keep up, you become a liability. Predators don't hunt the strongest. They hunt the slowest, the distracted, the sick. One limp, one wrong step. That's all it takes. In the ocean, sharks eat their siblings before birth. Insects consume their mates. Some mothers eat their own offspring. Not madness, efficiency. Energy wasted is energy lost. And energy lost is death. The wild doesn't reward kindness. It rewards adaptation. Pain is ignored. Fear is useful. Attachment is optional. The rule is simple. Nature doesn't protect you. It tests you. Constantly. The wild isn't trying to kill you. It just won't save you. Every moment you survive, you earned. Every moment you fail, nature moves on. Without pause. Without memory. The most brutal survival rule in the wild: you are never essential. If you want more truths the wild never explains, stay close, like the video, subscribe,